অলরেডি ক্লাস 8 এর দিকে দেখেছিলাম force without contact. There is a gravitation and Coulomb force. Gravitational force and Coulomb force. তাহলে এখানে আমরা বললাম force without contact. এখানে যে ফোর্সটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি অলরেডি, এই ফোর্সটাকে বলছি force without contact. তাহলে what is gravitational force? Gravitational force বলছি দেখো, আমরা যদি একটা ফলিং বডি দেখি, ফলিং বডির মধ্যে দেখি একটা ফলিং বডি, তাহলে এই ফলিং বডিটার সঙ্গে কি করছে দেখো, অ্যাক্সিলারেশন ডিউ টু গ্র্যাভিটি অলরেডি অ্যাক্টেড হচ্ছে এখানে। এইবার এখানটা আমরা যখন এই বডিটা এখান থেকে পড়ছে, তখন যে ফোর্স নিয়ে পড়ছে সেটাকে বলছি আমি কি গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফোর্স। The gravitational force attract between two bodies. Here, now the Newton law of gravitation. What is or statement of Newton's law of gravitation? Newton law of gravitation. देखो law এর ফার্স্ট আমি দেখব two body. First body whose mass is m1 and the second body whose it is the first body, the second body mass is m2. m1 and m2 these are two bodies. Line joining between two bodies which is r or d. D is the distance between two bodies. Center to center distance between two bodies is d. Clear? This is d or it is denoted by r. আমরা r যখন denote করব বলবো small r or d দিয়ে আমরা এটাকে denote করতে পারছি। তাহলে m1 and m2 be the two mass of the two bodies and distance between center of center distance between two bodies is d, small d. Okay. Now the statement of Newton's law is in the universe two bodies, first body and second body, two bodies attract with a force. Attract with a force. This is the line joining between two bodies. Okay. Well, in the universe, two bodies attract with a force. This magnitude of this force is inversely proportional to, first directly proportional to product of their masses m1 m2. তাহলে first law বললাম F is proportional to m1 m2 and inversely proportional to square of their distance between them. That is 1 by d square. Yeah, this is the first law, second law. একসঙ্গে আমরা যখন লটাকে বলবো এভাবে ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড বলবো না, একসঙ্গে বলবো। তাহলে একবার বলি, in the universe two body attract with a force. This force along with a along the line joining them, the magnitude of this force is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of their distance between them. Clear? This is a mathematical formula. F is proportional to m1 m2. F is proportional to 1 by d square. Clear? Now we get F is proportional to m1 m2 divided d square. Clear? equal to g into of m1 m2 by b square. Here g be the gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Okay, it is a constant g, capital G. It is denoted by capital G, which is gravitational constant. Okay, this is a laws of Newton's law of gravitation. Clear?